Updating your Dexcom G7 receiver to run the latest firmware helps ensure optimal performance and gives you access to the latest features. Before you get started, note that a receiver update will end your current sensor session. You'll need to start a new one after, so it's best to update when a session ends. To update your receiver, you'll need a computer with internet, your receiver, the green USB cable that came with your receiver, and your Dexcom login. It may take up to 20 minutes to complete your update. Ready? Let's walk through the steps. First, visit clarity.dexcom.com and click the Home User box. Next, log in using your Dexcom credentials, or create an account if you don't already have one. Once you're logged in, click Upload. You will now see a progress bar on your computer screen. If this is your first time updating your receiver, you'll need to install the Dexcom Uploader. Just follow the on-screen steps. If you've performed an update before or shared data with your care team, you probably already have it. The system will skip ahead automatically. Next, plug the USB cable into both your receiver and your computer. Power on your receiver, then click the Upload button. In this step, the system will connect your device and upload your data. This may take a few minutes. Once your data is uploaded, you'll see if an update is available. Click Update Receiver to get the latest version. When you see the confirmation graphic, your receiver is up to date. You can now unplug your receiver and start a new sensor session. After the update, your receiver resets to factory settings. Be sure to reselect your preferences before starting your next session. If you have any questions along the way, we're here to help. 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Thank you for choosing Dexcom to help you take control of your health.